What's up, guys? Today I got a pretty cool video. It's something that's new to me. It's definitely not new to the market. It's been out for a pretty good while, but I just found it and I thought it was a pretty neat thing, so I wanted to share it with you guys. It's the Power Probe wireless temp kit, and today we'll be looking at it. I'll show you how it works, I'll show you the features, and we'll try it out. So you guys, stick around. All right, guys, like I mentioned in the intro, today we're going to be looking at the Power Probe wireless temp kit, and of course this is the box, and this is the actual temp kit itself. All right, guys, so here's what it looks like. Of course, this is your receiver and this part is your transmitter. It simply slides up and comes out, or you can lock it back in. If you notice, it's got the little post on either side so you can move it over here. They actually sell a second transmitter, and that way you can have two different temperature zones if you want to do like a front AC, a rear AC, and the ambient temperature. The transmitter itself is run off of two AAA batteries, and the receiver is run off of two AA batteries. I kind of wish they would use the same batteries, and that way it would be a little easier. You wouldn't have to buy 2 packs of batteries, but oh well. Anyway, I did mention it runs off of, you could add a second one if you wanted to, and it'll clip on this side just fine. But the way this works is, like I say, it's from -10 up to 132 is the temperature range that it has. And on the receiver portion, this part here is actually the temperature gauge. So you can use this for a front and a rear AC. You'd simply put this one in the back and keep this one up front, and that way you'd be able to check it. I think it'd be really handy on vehicles that had dual climate control up front, you know, driver side's one temp, passenger side's one temp, and rear AC. It would come in handy to have the second unit. I actually purchased this off of the Mack truck. It was around 36 bucks. I have a link below in the Amazon links where you can pick it up on Amazon for the same price. But I think it's pretty cool. This is designed where you can fold it down, and it will go on the vent clips. So you can just clip it on the vent. Of course, on the transmitter, this is the pickup for the temp sensor. As you see, it's got the 3 little slotted holes. But it'll just clip in there. If you've got roof air, you can stand it straight up and just clip it up in there however you need to. Pretty neat little unit. Really simple to read, good clear display. To turn it on, you simply mash the power button, and we will turn the receiver or transmitter on, and they will connect and talk together. It has a refresh rate of every half a second. It will update back to this, and it has a 16.5 foot wireless range from the transmitter to the receiver, so that's pretty good. As you can see, the temps, what they are in here. It also has a backlight, so you can mash the little button here and it will illuminate the display so it's easier to read in dark situations. This button will cycle if you have the second transmitter. You just mash it and it'll go to number 2. Of course, Celsius and Fahrenheit buttons here. I think we're the only country in the world that uses Fahrenheit, but you simply mash the C and the F and it will toggle between Celsius and Fahrenheit. As you can see, the readings, what they are now, I've actually got a refrigerator over here, and it's pushing the limits. It's probably 17 to 20 foot away. It may not work, but I'm going to put the receiver in there and we'll see if it will work. So you guys, stand by for this one. As you can see, the temperature is going down on it. It's in the freezer of a small kind of apartment refrigerator that we have here in the studio. And that's at least 16 feet away. I'm gonna say it's pushing 20 at this point, but you can see it's still functioning and it's reading. As you can see, the numbers are dropping. I think this is a really cool kit, especially with the different climate control systems that vehicles have on it now. It makes it super handy. But one of the reasons why I wanted to get it, a lot of times I'll have the transmitter inside the cab, and the unit that I had prior to this was the Milwaukee, and it had the wired temp leads on it. I'd put them in it and I'd shut the door on it where I'd be able to read the numbers on the outside because I couldn't read it through the glass. With this unit, I can simply put the transmitter inside the vehicle and have this outside the vehicle. Makes it super easy. I think for 36 bucks, you just can't really go wrong with it. It would come in super handy even at home or here at the shop. Like I could stick it in the window unit, make sure everything's functioning like you want to. And of course, we all like to talk about how hot our shops are, and this is a perfect way that you can take a picture and show everybody what kind of hell that you had to go through today. But anyway, guys, it's a pretty cool tool. As you can see, we've gotten down to 25 degrees and we're still going down from where it's in the freezer over here. So that's pretty neat to be able to, see that kind of stuff, the way it works. There's a lot of applications that I think this would come in super handy. I got it mainly just to stick in the vents so I could see what the temperature is when we're doing AC checks. And it's nice to be at the machine and be able to see what the temperature is doing inside the cab while you're still at the machine working on it. But that's the video today. Y'all check out this Power Pro Temp kit. That's actually the part number right here. So you guys check this thing out. Not very expensive, and it'll come in super handy. And as you can see, it works pretty well. Apparently my freezer works good too. It's 14.5 degrees in there. Anyway, guys, y'all have a great day, and we will catch y'all next time. If you like it, be sure to hit that thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. Y'all be careful. See you later. I thought I'd share this with you real quick. As you can see here by these numbers, it's 86.4 degrees in here, and the temperature inside the freezer is 0.9. So that's pretty cool. It dropped down to 14 pretty quick as I was doing the video, and right before I got ready to cut the video off, I can see it's down to almost completely 0 degrees. So I thought that was pretty cool. I thought I'd share that with you.